we're trying out the, I think it's Yolasin or Yolasin action camera. It's like $100 on Amazon. This one, like, perspective of comparing this with a GoPro with, oh, something else. Like, who knows, maybe I might actually, like, break a GoPro or something like that, or however. But this is the Yolasin action camera, and it says it supports up to 4K, which I kind of really don't believe that, but we'll find out. We'll see how the image quality is and the audio quality. I have their microphone ran up through my helmet right now, and I had to put a piece of tape over top of the blue light that is on top of the camera itself that keeps on flashing. And so I didn't want the little blue light flashing in my face, unfortunately. But yeah, on the Lowrider S right now with the Sony sweeper exhaust pipes. Like I said, we're just trying this out. We're going to see how well this works. Going over to the post office. I have to drop some stuff off at the post office. Here we are. I'm just kind of interested to see how this works. Okay, yeah, it took that. Oop. My assumption is the audio quality and video quality on this is going to be pretty crappy compared to a higher price camera, maybe even compared to the DJI Osmos. Is it DJI Osmos or is it Osmos? I can't even think of the pronunciation of these things. We will soon find out and see. Is this going to be a good motovlogging camera, or is this going to be a horrible motovlogging camera? I know, I actually tried testing this earlier, just to see, how it worked on a handlebar mount. It did not work too good at all. I mean, everything was all shaky, and everything else. Put that in there. Alright, here we go again. We've got a little bit of bumps we're going to go over. Hope we'll test out the image stabilization. I don't know what that was in the road. But anyways, picked up this camera for $100 on Amazon. It's supposed to do 4K. Honestly, do I believe it does 4K? No. Tried this earlier, probably about 3 weeks ago, with a handlebar mount, and it was very, very, very bad. But honestly, we're trying it with a chin mount to the helmet right now, just to see like how well we can get this thing to work. Okay, come on, car, make up your mind. What are you doing? What are you doing? Come on, I gotta turn right here. Alright, here we go. Yep. But this is the Osmos or Yolansin or something. I don't know. I'll put it on the screen. We'll figure it out.